Okay friends, so for today's move of the week, we're gonna do a heavy barbell RDL. A couple things you wanna be mindful of. Because we're going heavier, you can always switch and flip your grip so it's a little bit comfier. You wanna remove the slack from your bar prior to. All that really means is engaging your lats before picking up the barbell off the ground or off wherever you're picking it off of. It looks just like this before even picking it up. Driving those hips back, tummy's tight, getting that nice solid hip hinge. Here's without removing the slack. And now once I remove the slack, I'm just driving those shoulders back and down, really pulling the barbell and engaging my lats. From there, I'm gonna drive through my heels, exhale, lift up. I'm stepping away from my platform, and I'm just gonna rinse and repeat, tummy tight, drive those hips back, drive up. Keeping the barbell as close to my center as possible. Drive back, exhale, drive through the heels, quickly up. Nice, slow, and drive it up. Give that a shot and let us know what you think.